So I don't know if I pointed this out to you. I don't know if I pointed this out to you yet. But you see on top of all the houses here? There's one there. Oh, I guess I'm in a bad shot, but there's some way down there. There's one way up there. There's one over there. Those are water tanks. And I didn't realize that the water here only runs once every other day. Do you know that? And I accidentally didn't flush the toilet all the way right, and the water was kind of a little dribbling, and I emptied out the tank here. Oops. Now that I don't know water till tomorrow.